2-inch recessed LED 7-watt 5 cCT from Lotus LED Lights. 2-inch recessed LED with integral driver in connection box. Interchangeable round and square, white and black trims. 5 cCT user selectable, 2700 Kelvin to 5000 Kelvin. 430 lumen to 480 lumen output. Triac dimmable down to 10%. CRI 90+ for true color rendering. Three and 3/8" thick. Install where ceiling space is limited. Beam angle 38 degrees. Type IC rated, no housing required. Wet location approved. Fast and easy to install, save on labor. Driver inside connection box, no junction box needed. Available accessories, mounting plates. Low voltage extension cables for remotely mounting the driver. Other colors of reflectors available by custom order. ETL and ENERGY STAR certified, 5-year warranty.